Fresh. Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Right, so for electrolysis, right, question number 11, you have an aqueous copper 2 sulfate. You have an aqueous copper 2 sulfate in the electrolytes using the copper electrode. They have a copper electrode. So what is a half equation for the reaction at the cathode? Okay, in my notes, that one, if I teach the electrolysis, okay, I said that the cathode always attract cation. Okay, cathode always attract cation. I tahu some of you that, teacher, I just memorize positive attract negative, negative attract positive. Okay, yes, can. But sometimes you like, macam like, alamak teacher, I confused. Cathode positive or negative? Cathode positive or negative? You, memang now you remember, right? Tapi during the exam, you see you sit in the exam, sometimes you akan jadi panic tau. So bila panic, the level of the confusing tu lagi higher. Okay, the level of confusing lagi tinggi. Padahal dah okay dah, tapi you confused, you macam like tak sure. Okay, so kalau in electrolysis, okay, I always teach student that C and C, A and A. And not, it will attract the anion. Okay, cathode will attract the cation. So A and A, C and C. It will not like, teacher, can cathode attract anion? No. Cathode always cation. Okay, cathode always cation. Okay, so this one you see ions, kan? Alright, and then you want to see your ions. So cat, so T is refer for positive charge. Ni sayang, May June 2024 variant 2. Jemput tak? Sekejap. This one. Teacher ada hantar 6, ada hantar 7 paper dekat in the group. Kalau you all have a past paper, you boleh buka dekat ni. May June 2024 variant 22. So jumpa tak? Jumpa tak sayang?
Jumpa.
Jumpa right. Kat sini ada. Saya Kristina. Teacher bercakap. You dengar suara teacher tak sayang? Ada dengar suara teacher? Dengar. Sekejap. Kiss. Kiss. Cuba. Kristina ada? Okay, alhamdulillah. Right. Jom kita start. Okay. So cat positive charge. If AN, alright, AN, any refer for negative charge. So in case pun kalau you lupa in the exam, right, you macam like confusing, kalau dah ada this one, you akan make more confident. Oh, aku punya betul. So dia akan jadi more confident, benda dia betul. So cathode, you attract cation, and not you attract anion. Okay, so now dia nak attract cathode cation. You can cancel the negative charge. You boleh cancel this one. So and then aqueous copper 2 sulfate. Aqueous means that you have a water. If teacher too fast, yeah, you let me know, right? So nanti teacher boleh slow. If you want to ask any question, you just let me know. InsyaAllah teacher akan jawab. Don't worry, sir. Cu2 plus, SO4 2 minus. Because it contain water, okay, H plus and OH minus. Okay, the positive is a cation. The negative is a anion. An ion, anion. So then it will attract to the cathode. Ni the first step. The first step, teacher recognize cathode attract ion. The second step, I keluarkan all the ion inside the aqueous copper sulfate. So means that I kena focus, teacher kena focus to this one. The third step, alright. So which one I need to choose? You need to remember the reactivity series. Okay, you need to remember the reactivity series. Ada macam-macam cara kan. English ada, BM ada, right? So kalau English, please stop call me a careless zebra. Instead, try learning how copper save coal. Alright, so or you can remember that one in BM. Kalau nak cantik macam Anwar Zain, Fashah Sanda, perlu hadir ceramah agama. So it's up to you lah, mana-mana you nak remember, tak ada masalah sekarang. Alright, so reactivity series. This one, going down the group. Okay, reactivity series going down the group. Reactivity decrease. So reactivity decrease, the more tendency to accept electron. So cathode always choose lowest in reactivity series. Always choose lowest. Alright, even for concentrated pun lowest. So now the lowest is a Cu. Compared to Cu and H, then Cu. So then Cu here. So teacher cancel A. Okay. The last, C or D teacher. C or D teacher. Alright, okay. Dia ada two way tau. Sebenarnya cathode. Right. So, siapa yang dah lama dengan teacher, alright, you know that one teacher akan guna acronym kaki aku lega. Okay, kaki aku lega is a very, very useful acronym, that one, for the electrochemistry. Nanti kalau you further for form 5, you akan learn redox tau. So you can use also kaki aku lega for the redox. Redox you akan start belajar chemical cell. So which voltage cell. You can use kaki aku lega. Alright, so kaki aku lega. Kaki aku lega, that one is a oxidation reduction. Okay, so then you divide into two. Okay, actually refer for kanan. This one lagi acronym like make you more confident. Sometimes like you confused. Teacher, electron for the loose electron, that one left side or right side? Kanan ke kiri? Itu you akan lagi confused. So bila you ada kaki aku lega ni, insyaAllah, right? You write in your MRSM, so you takkan confused. Okay. Ka refer for kanan. Kanan position of electron. Ki refer for kiri. Kiri position of electron. Kaki position of electron. A refer for anode. Anode or anion. C refer for cathode. Cathode or cation. Le refer for loose electron. Ge refer for gain electron. So now cathode kan, right? So cathode you need to see from here. The electron must be at the left side, kiri. Now, CD, which one is a kiri? Yeah, this one, you see the arrow, Right, you see the arrow here. Kalau you pandang your screen kan, you tengok tangan you. You see your hand. Alright, you see your hand. Kalau your hand here, kat sini ialah kanan. Your right side. Tuan kiri. Your left side. So then the electron at the kiri. So kiri here. So the answer will be D. So any questions?
Faham.
Lukman, you want to ask something, sir?
No.
Oh, no, okay. Check with night, teacher. Teacher need to. All right. So any question you want to ask me before teacher proceed to the next?
No.
You boleh request lah, sana. Teacher, I nak try the question for the organic chemistry. Okay, just let me know. So, I boleh cari soalan organic chemistry. Teacher, I nak tahu how to calculate the chemical energetic yang bond-bond tu. Bond breaking, bond making. That one I very weak. Just let me know. You boleh DM teacher that one. So, don't worry. Teacher tak akan beritahu nama. So, your friend pun tak tahu siapa yang tanya. Actually. Kalau you ask the question pun, insyaAllah your friend akan tahu. I just baca the soalan you je. But I tahu sometimes you all malu kan. Don't worry. Tapi make sure you send dekat teacher Lina yang not post You ada kat sini ke? Oh tak ada. Pandai you all. Okay. Teacher proceed Alright. Ada apa-apa soalan? Any question you want to ask me? No
No.
Okay. If I'm too fast, let me know. Kalau like teacher, I tak faham, need to repeat, let me know. Ini the last paper tau. You punya nyawa. Sometimes like paper ni, kalau you dapat score 30 above, insyaAllah, you boleh dapat A. So teacher go to the bond breaking, bond making. I try cari bond breaking, bond making. That one yang selalu student confused. How to open the bond. Yes, yeah. Wait. Ni satu lagi. Sekejap, wait. Monomer. Same paper, Same paper, right? 39. Ini easy je sana. Tapi sometimes student confused. How to open, how to know the monomer. This one polymer. The above one polymer. Okay. Selalu cakap student, you nak cari the, if you want to find the monomer, you just take the two bond. Two carbon. Two carbon you cut. Two carbon you cut. Okay. 1, 2. Two carbon then you cut. 1, 2. Two carbon then you cut. 1, 2. Two carbon then you cut lah. No. Okay, you take the two carbon. Polymer, if polymer, you take the two carbon, you cut. Take the two carbon, you cut. So after that, then you tengok that one. So which one is a copy? So supposedly, okay, teacher draw back CH3, CH, and then C, H, double bond O, and then H. Sebab I tahu your punya paper for paper 4 organic chemistry sikit kan soalan dia, right? I takut dia banyak keluar dekat paper 2. Alright, takut kalau banyak keluar kat paper 2. Okay. So this one. Okay, so polymer. Monomer Monomer you have a C double bond C. Monomer you have a C double bond C. Okay. If you have a C double bond C, you need to erase this one. And then after you erase the bonding, you put the double bond. So you put the double bond. Sure. Okay, you put the double bond. Then you find the one. Okay, ni ada 4. Then you ada 2 bonding this one. Totally wrong lah, D. So D totally wrong. This one, C double bond. Okay, C double bond. But supposedly CH3H. Ni CH3, CH3. So B wrong lah. Ni double bond at carbon number 1. Supposedly double bond at carbon number 2. So this one wrong lah. C. Okay. Any questions, one? Yeah. Teacher, can I request? Yeah, sure can. No one. Percentage yield. Yeah, sure can. Percentage yield. You tahu tak, ada tak year mana? Ada jumpa tak soalan tu dekat year mana? Kita lama tak jumpa percentage yield sebenarnya. Ada? Okay. You betul teacher what year? You all boleh je tahu request apa-apa soalan nak tanya. So, before teacher nak cari percentage yield. Any questions on this one?
Teacher.
Okay, macam
Yang A tu dia salah sebab double bond C tu dia duduk depan ke?
betul Syang. Patutnya double bond C ni dekat carbon number 2. Ni kalau you nampak ni 1, 2. Tapi dekat number 1 ni dah ada double bond. So wrong. Okay, is it clear, Sufia?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, welcome Syang. May June 2024 variant 1. Check with. May June 2024 variant 1. Question number ni Oh, 10. Okay, calculation. Okay. So, ni May June 2024. Sampai lepas paper. You can go to May June 2024. Variant 21. Okay, May June 2024 variant 21. Okay. So done right. Ni calculation. Calculation pun student like confused. Okay. So when heated copper to oxide react with ammonia. Ammonia react with an acid copper to oxide to produce 26.4 copper. Okay. So what is the percentage yield of copper in this reaction? Okay, they said that 8.4 gram of ammonia. Okay, ammonia this one. Okay, this one ammonia. NH3 ammonia. So ammonia, NH3. React with the copper to oxide. Excess, excess. The excess copper to oxide. Okay, to produce 26.4 gram of the copper. Okay, to produce the 26.4 gram of copper. So excess copper to oxide. So this one. So what is the percentage yield of copper of this reaction? Percentage yield of copper in this reaction. Okay, so now. Right, so you need to relate this one in excess. You need to relate with ammonia and copper. Okay, sebab copper to oxide in the excess. So how to calculate Alright, so the first, you need to use the mole equal to mass over MR. MR or relative molecular mass, same. Okay, alright. MR is molecular relative. Relative molecular mass usually like SPM akan use the word relative molecular mass. Okay, sampai kalau like yang ambil only IGCSE, diorang akan sebut MR. Actually same je sayang. Don't worry, sama je. Okay. So 8.5 you divide by MR atau RMM for the NH3. So NH3 is 14 plus 3 times 1. This one you need to find from the periodic table. Okay, paper 2 they will give the periodic table. SPM dia tak bagi periodic table. SPM dia dah bagi siap-siap atas soalan. Okay. Right. And then teacher, do I need to times the one with 2? Saya no. No. This one always mistake by student. No. The 2 here only for ratio. Ratio mole. Please tolong ingat that one. Right? So number 2, NH3. So 2 this one only for ratio mole. Only for ratio mole. Okay, don't times that one. Kena ingat sayang. Wait. Okay, so 8.5, 14 plus 3. Mana calculator teacher? Boleh tolong kira untuk teacher. 14 times 14 plus 3. So dapat 0.5 kan? Okay. 0.5. Okay. Right. Okay. First step we done. Okay. First step we done. Now you need to do ratio. Okay. So ratio that one. You all MRSM teacher buat this one. 2 mole of ammonia. Okay. NH3. Alright. So produce 3 mole of copper. Okay, 2 mole of ammonia, you will produce 3 mole of copper. So teacher dapat from here, ni. 2 and 3, that one. From the from the chemical equation. So this one is we call theoretical. Theoretical. Okay, from the chemical equation. Okay, 2 mole of ammonia will produce 3 mole of the Cu. So now, in experiment, you just use 0.5 mole of ammonia. Okay, so what's that? So you multiple cross. .75 mole of copper. Okay, sampai dekat sini. Sebelum teacher proceed to the next step. They have a 3 step. So any questions? You nak tanya teacher? Anything? No teacher. Okay. So then you need to, they give you mass 26.4 gram of copper kan. Alright, so you change to mass. So still use mole equal to mass over MR or RMM, relative molecular mass. Okay, so mole is a 0.75. Mass you don't know, X, and then MR for copper is a 64. Is 64 or 65? Kita check Saya tak salah agak actually. I think 64. 64. 65 zinc. So then X equal to 0.75. What? 48. So they said that percentage yield ni, alright, from the calculation, okay, 58 gram. When you do the experiment, you take the 8.5 gram, okay, 8.5 gram of ammonia. Supposedly you get the 48 gram. Sepatutnya in experiment, you get the 48 gram. Tapi dalam eksperimen, you cuma dapat 26.4 gram. When you do the experiment, you just get the 26.4 gram. Banyak kan loss kan? Maybe due to the human error, we don't know. Maybe they escape, we not sure. Maybe decompose. Ada banyak maybe. So if you want to get the percentage yield, the actual, so this one we call actual that you get the from experiment. So actual 26.4, you divide by 48 times 100. Dia actual, you divide by theoretical. You tak payah ingat dia punya formula pun, tak apa actually. You faham the concept. You understand the concept. 55. See. Apa? Hadam dulu. Fahamkan. Let me know. Which part that you not sure, which part that you confusing, let me know. InsyaAllah teacher will explain. Kita tengok dulu. You all tengok kat sini ke? Kat sini siapa tanya? Soalan 40 tu macam mana? Iman, cuba try tanya dekat teacher Lina yang host tu. No, not host. Iman, ni. Cuba say something. Hi. Luz Iman. Iman dah? Dekat teacher Lina yang tak ada host tu. Dia ada dua teacher Lina. Yang host dengan is not host. Luz Iman dah? Mana dia? Oh, dia dekat sini. Yes, dia pandai pun. Okay, sekejap. Nanti saya jawab soalan you. 40. 40 yang mana? Yang tadi ke? Yang like the paper 2 tu variant 2 okay, tak apa. Nanti kita come back balik dah sana. Wait Okay. Okay, your friend tanya 64 come from 64 MR from ni zinc tu ada. MR for copper. Ni copper. MR copper is 64 ni. Dalam periodic table. Ni sayang. Tu. Is it clear? Yang tanya teacher ni. So kita guna formula mole equal to mass over MR. MR tu ni lah. Kita ambil lah RMM. Relative molecular mass. Faham Okay. Sekejap. Okay, sudah faham Right. Boleh teacher proceed. Ada nak tanya apa-apa Okay, mana ni? Sekejap. Ni. So ada tanya apa-apa sebelum teacher nak go to question 40. So theoretical, you just remember. The actual, you divide by theory. Theory by calculation. The actual from the experiment. Cuma dia macam confusing. Soalan dia direct. Dia macam like, 8.5 gram ammonia react with excess copper to oxide to produce 26.4 copper. Then you akan remember 26.4 copper tu is theoretical. Then you dah risau, tak calculate dah. Nak macam mana macam tu cakap Okay. Question 15 yang mana? Variant 1 or variant Variant 2. Yang paper ni ke? Boleh je, you nak bincang topik apa, question apa, just let me know. Paper ni Sekejap. Sekejap tau, teacher go back balik yang question 40. Your friend nak tanya pasal question 40. Oh ni. Ni kan, Iman. Lulus Iman. Dia tanya pasal apparatus yang use. Okay. Yang ni sebenarnya, usually dia tanya kat question number 1 tau. Lepas tu dia sekarang ni dekat last pula dia tanya that one. Okay, which pieces of apparatus used to measure 24.5 cm3 of the gas produced during the reaction? Okay, beaker memang totally wrong lah. Memang beaker cannot. Conical flask pun cannot. Alright, conical flask pun cannot. Sayang, you kena tak conical flask yang mana? Nah, okay, Alhamdulillah. Lepas tu, beaker for sure, kenal kan? Okay, measuring cylinder. So, measuring cylinder and volumetric flask. Measuring cylinder dengan volumetric pipette, that one. So, you kenal tak that one? You kenal tak measuring cylinder? Kenal kan measuring cylinder kan? Okay. Volumetric pipette ni, you kenal tak that one?
iPad tahulah.
Kan? Okay, so sekejap. Teacher tunjuk kat you. Ni, sama je lah. So, dia sebut volumetric pipette ataupun pipette that one is a same topic image. Tapi sebab dia sebut volumetric kan, so macam like apa benda ni? Macam tu. Sama je sayang. Sama je. Yang ni. So, kalau dia kata dia measure, nampak tak ada 0.5? Kalau you ada 0.5, the volumetric pipette is not suitable because volumetric pipette ni only the whole number. Kalau you nampak 100, 50, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5. So automatically, volumetric pipette, this one is wrong. The answer will be measuring cylinder. Decimal, mesti measuring cylinder. Okay, so is it clear? Sekarang? Okay. Okay, jap. One by
Ini atau jatuh atas tak ni. Budak.
Teacher, saya nak tanya soalan yang variant 22 February March.
Okay, you letak dekat dalam chat. Teacher go through. You letak dalam chat. Teacher go through one by one. Kalau yang mana cerita terlepas tu, beritahu tau. You sedarkan teacher tau. Kadang-kadang tak perasan. Okay, now teacher nak pergi dekat you punya 15. Soalan 15, variant 1. Okay. 15, variant 1. Ni. Yang ni lah chemical bonding ni. Yang selalu student tersilap this one. Dia salah, either you salah open ataupun you salah calculate. Boleh. Letak je dekat chat. Nanti teacher akan go through dekat chat. Okay. Ni variant 1, soalan 15, chemical bonding. Ni bawah chemical energetic. Chemical energetic, exothermic, endothermic. Energy in dengan energy out. Okay. So this one is energy in. Teacher panggil dia bond breaking je. Teacher panggil dia BB. Bond breaking. Okay, bond breaking. So 2H2O, that one is energy out. That one is a bond making, BM. So the formula ni, this formula, BB minus BM. Energy in minus energy out. Okay, BB minus BM, energy in, you minus energy out. Right. Okay, so now the reaction between hydrogen and oxygen, the release, dia dah mention dah sana sini, the release, the 4. So maknanya release 486 release, it will become negative 486. Oh teacher, why negative? Release means that azo. If they said that absorb, then you can say positive. 486. Okay, yang tanya teacher ni, is it clear sah? Faham tak this one? You kena pasti tahu yang you tanya soalan sebab teacher tak akan panggil nama.
Faham, teacher.
Oh, Patisha okey panggil nama ya? Okay, bagi Patisha lah. Saya kata okey. Patisha dia, is it?
Easy.
Okay. Right. So bond energy H. So you need to open tau. 2H and H plus O 2. Ada student teacher, I tak pandai lah nak open. How? Sometimes orang malu tau. Dia takut nak bertanya sebab like teacher faham, but because you all dah pernah jadi, teacher pun dah pernah jadi student, kita macam takut nak bertanya, right? Dengan teacher insyaAllah you tanya tak apa, it's okay. Teacher boleh jawab, right? So jangan malu-malu. Okay, how to open this one? Kalau yang mana like confusing, okay. You tahu kan hydrogen H+, dan you tahu kan oxygen O2-. From the charge, you can know the bond. You can know how many the bond you need to draw. H+ means that you have a one bonding, only one bonding for H. So then H and H. Yeah. Okay, H and H. And then O2 minus. O2 minus O. O, you have a double bond. O. Because O2 minus, so means that O2, 2. 2 meaning you have a 2 bond for the oxygen. So O, double bond, O. Okay, and then after that you want to open H2O. H2O, so means that H, they have a 2. They have a 2H and then you have a O at the middle part. And then the student say, teacher, I nak try open macam like this one lah. I nak buat HHO macam tu. Okay, tak apa, it's okay. You try je put bond. You try this one, you try this one. So teacher said that O2 minus O2 must have a 2 bond. So now, okay, this one is correct, that one. They have a 2 bond. And then the hydrogen, yes, correct, that one. 1 bond. This one, yes, correct, 1 bond. Tapi the below part wrong. Why? Because hydrogen, they have a 2 bond. So wrong. Hydrogen must have only 1 bond. So if you want to open the H2O, you buat macam yang teacher buat this one. So you just remember the H plus 1 bond, O2 minus 2 bond. Carbon C4. Kalau you carbon, you tahu carbon group 4 kan? Group 4. So group 4, they have a 4 bond. So it's up to lah carbon you nak buat macam ni ke macam ni. Ni 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So depan lah. Okay, jom kita calculate. Ini yang bagi siapa lah yang tak tahu how to open the bonding. Okay. So. Alright. So done. Okay. So now the bond energy HH is a 436. Okay, 436. And then you times 2 . So plus with the HO 464. And then what is the bond energy for OO? So then X we don't know. So then 2 HO is 464. Dia ada 2 1 and 2. So then 464 2. Okay. So now teacher nak calculate. So apa-apa BB minus BM. Energy in minus energy out. Okay. Right. So BB minus BM. So 436 times 2. And then plus with X. Minus 4 times 464 equal negative 486. Tu max management. 464 times 4. Kalau teacher ada salah calculate, let me know sekarang. Kadang kita tak perasan. Tegur je insyaAllah. Teacher cuba tengok. Okay. So then 1 for ni, then plus with 856. And then 462 plus with X. Negative. 466 plus 1856. So 1370 minus 2 ni X minus 872. Ada jawapan dia? Oh ada, alhamdulillah. 498 kilojoule mole. So C. Tengok lu. Which part tak faham? Berarti Syah tengok yang mana yang you tak faham sayang. Yang lain pun boleh tanya teacher. Alhamdulillah.
Teacher. Yang part HOH tu, kenapa teacher darab lagi dengan 2 dekat belakang tu?
Oh, ni sayang ada 2. Ni. Nampak ni? HO kan? Yang ni kan? Dia yang untuk yang HO ni Allah, salah ni. Okay. Yang teacher bulat ni, yang ni you nampak ni? Ni yang ni. Ni HO ni untuk satu je, 464. Now HO ni you ada 2. So that's why teacher darabkan dengan 2. Yang 2 ni, yang depan ni, yang ni is belong to this one. So yang belakang ni you ada 2 HO. Is it clear, Sam?
Okay, faham.
Yang ni memang selalu student silap. Serius, tak dinafikan. Teacher bercakap percentage 90% student akan tak times this one. Memang dia takkan times. So then you please take note that one. Okay. Teacher, kenapa energy release jadi negatif? Oh ni sayang. Kalau release, memang you kena letak negatif. Sebab release tu, you release it to the surrounding, dia exothermic. Ni exo. Kalau exo, the signs dia must be negative. Unless kalau dia tukar. Absorb. Dia absorb kan? Absorb, dia endo. Dia absorb heat from surrounding, and then the signs for the endo is a positive. You kena ingat tau sayang, exo and endo temperature is involved surrounding. Jangan keliru sayang. Kita tak ada cakap that one temperature for the substance. Kita temperature surrounding. Kalau you belajar in SPM pun sama, temperature surrounding. We does not involve temperature substance. Okay. Is it clear, sayang? Right. Lagi? Nak tanya apa lagi, sayang? Tanya. InsyaAllah teacher jawab. Jangan tanya kat sini tau. Sekejap, teacher check. Ada, tanya lagi. Sufia, cuba send dekat teacher Lina yang not post lah. Sufia send something sayang. Hi.
Macam mana tu teacher?
Oh ni, you pergi kat teacher Lina, nampak tak dekat participant tu ada 2 teacher Lina. Teacher Lina yang host and then that one yang bukan host. Sekejap. Jumpa tak? Sekejap
Jumpa.
Okay, cuba say hi.
Macam say hi.
Tulis say hi. Teacher tengok ada tak nama you kat sini.
Dekat chat ke?
Dekat chat. Sama juga kat sini. Sekejap. Ni, ada tak nama yang teacher Lina yang ni, yang ada gambar recording ni? Ada recording kamera tak ada mic. Dia ada 2 teacher Lina kan? Satu host, satu yang bawah ni. Ada jumpa tak, Sufia?
Kejap.
Okay. Nampak. Okay. Go. You tanya soalan question 18 18 kan, sim paper yang ni. Okay, so ada apa-apa soalan nak tanya Iswan? Okay tak ada Teacher pergi soalan 18. Soalan 18. Sekejap. Variant 1. Soalan nombor 8. Sekejap sebelum pergi 18, teacher pergi dulu 15 settle. Your friend dia tanya soalan nombor 8. 18 sekejap lagi Sekejap. 8. Ni, okay. How many electron are shared in 1 molecule of nitrogen and 1 molecule of ethane? In 1 molecule of nitrogen and 1 molecule of ethane. So ethane is alkene. Alkene. E-N-E. So kalau E-N-E, this one is CnH2n. I think you dah remember kan, add how many carbon, prop how many carbon kan, right? Sure kan, beritahu je, hantar kat chat. Teacher akan pergi go through one by one. Okay. So, CnH2n, add 2 carbon So, and then you got the C2H4. Okay, C2H4.
Tu dapat mana? Makanan mana? Jangan tadi dia masak. Tak dapat mana? Tahu tak?
Ya.
Rasa saya.
Okay. Alright. C2H4. So when the C2H4 okay, C2H4 you nak open Alright, you not kena open the bonding. Kalau you nak tahu how many electron will be shared. Right. So C24. Carbon dia group 4. Group 4, so they have a 4 bonding. So 4 bond. So 4 bond, teacher C 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Okay. So then the hydrogen they have a 4. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you need to erase sayang this one sebab tak ada hydrogen. Tapi carbon must have 4 bond tau. So you letak kat sini, double bond. Sebab alkene dia have a double bond. Tadi tu teacher ajar cara nak draw lah sebenarnya. Tapi kalau you dah tahu, you letakkan je. Kan? Shall like example, teacher, I tahu ethene tu alkene. Alkene need to have a double bond. I dah tahu dah that one. Okay, you tak double bond. And then you kira lah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dan letak hydrogen. Pun boleh. Ada masalah. So, alkene settle. Now for the nitrogen. Nitrogen. Alamak, teacher nitrogen macam mana je? Nitrogen tu, you tahu kan dia 2.5. Dia punya proton number 7 kan? Lepas tu 2.5. 2.5 ni dia nak achieve stable, dia kena receive lagi 3 electron. So maksudnya that one, dia akan jadi charge dia 3 minus. N3 minus. Okay, N3 minus. So nitrogen ni, you tahu dia ada 2N2 kan? So maknanya like dia kena ada 3 bond. Teacher boleh tahu, you all semua boleh tahu, the bonding tu based on the charge je sayang. Based on the charge. So mana N3 minus, dia triple bond. O2 minus, dia double bond. Okay, yang tanya teacher soalan ni, is it clear sah? Dia boleh dapat kat chat. Okay, settle. Lepas tu kata how many electron. It's not the pair of electron tau. Dia kata how many electron. Okay, how many electron. So, dot cross. Oh, teacher ada 6 electron. Nitrogen. And then, for the ethane, dot cross. Dot cross lah. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 electron. Oh, teacher, the answer is it clear? Nak teacher repeat pun beritahu. Siapa yang tak faham pun beritahu. Yang lain nak tanya pun tak apa, tanya je. Beritahu je. Teacher try to explain. Yang tanya teacher, is it clear sayang? Ya Allah. Okay, welcome sayang. Okay, settle. Yang lain ada apa-apa nak tanya? Sure kan? Sekejap. Alright, so teacher ulang balik Sekejap. Teacher padam balik semua this one. Okay. 1 molecule of ethene and 1 molecule of the nitrogen. So means that ethene ni alkene. The general formula CnH2n. They have a 2 carbon. Kalau cik ingat, mama eat papaya big lah. Mama math eat at papaya big fruit. Okay. C2H4. 2. Okay, 2. C2H4.
Dah.
Ada. Okay. Right. So, C2H4. And then, you need to draw tau. Okay. You need to draw the bond. You tahu, teacher, I tahu alkene, they have C double bond C. Okay, tak apalah. They have a two carbon kan? C double bond C. And then you need to know, carbon ni, dia group 4. Dia 2.4. So 2.4, they need to receive 4 electron to achieve stable. So means that dia perlu ada 4 bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sama ni you all hafalkan, oh carbon kena ada 4. You tak tahu actually come from where. So now teacher explain. Right? You boleh tahu from the charge. Sebab daripada charge tu dia receive and they share electron. They donate. Okay, so settle. So then this one hydrogen lah. Sebab hydrogen kan 1 bond. Ini settle. Okay, yang minta teacher ulang ni. Is it clear sah? Sampai sini. Faham Okay. Nitrogen. Nitrogen ni actually dia 2.5. How I get the 2.5? From the periodic table. The atomic number, proton number. So dia 7. So I buat electron arrangement. Okay, you kena ingat saya. Electron arrangement dengan electronic configuration is the same. Electronic configuration for IGCSE lah. Electronic arrangement for the SPM. IGCSE pun sometimes disebut electronic arrangement. They depend. Tapi sama je. Okay, 2.5. So 2.5, you need to receive 3 electron to achieve stable. Octet kan, 8. 3 electron. So you receive 3 electron. So means that the nitrogen need to have a 3 bond. So N3 minus lah. N3 minus macam tu. So kenapa charge negative? Sebab non-metal. They receive electron. So nitrogen and N. Alright. So then they become triple bond. So N3 minus. So N3 minus triple bond. So, and then this one, 4 dot cross, dot cross, dot cross. So dia ada 6 electron. So kira 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dia tak tanya pair. Kalau tanya pair of electron, 3 pair of electron. Now dia tanya how many electron. So all electron you need to calculate. Sama juga sini. Dot cross. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 electron. So the answer will be C. Is it clear?
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Yang minta teacher ulang ni, is it clear, Sam? Okay. Dia satu lagi tau, NH3 ni. So macam mana you nak open the NH3 ni? Okay. Teacher, I know nitrogen, they have a 3 bond. Teacher, I buat macam ni. Kalau you buat macam ni, how you nak letakkan hydrogen? Hydrogen kena ada 1 bond tau. So you bagi 1, 2, 3. So H. Cukup lah ni. Nitrogen, they have a 3 bond. And then hydrogen, 1 bond, and 1 bond. Okay, done Right. Okay, nombor 8 dan jap teacher pergi daripada atas dulu. 8 settle, February March 2023. Variant 2 question number 9. Sekejap. February March. Sekejap kita kena extract that paper. Ada je kat sini tapi February March 2023. Kalau patut kena open, teacher silap. Okay, variant 22. Ayolah, 22. Dah, question number 9. You tanya pasal ni ke? Yang ni? Calculation ni. Ni, this one. Yang ni ya?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Alright. Ni pun satu lagi. First impression you dapat soalan ni, Allahu Akbar. Banyak yang nak kena baca. Dia dah fikir susah dah. Okay. Kira-kira tak dapat kan? Right. So relax lah. Tarik nafas. Dia dapat soalan macam ni, tarik nafas. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start. Okay. MR sodium hydrogen carbonate. Dia dah bagi hati dah. Dia dah bagi MR dah sana. 184. MR sodium carbonate 106. Ini February March 2023 Question number 9. Okay. Experiment 2.1 gram of sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated but not all decomposed. Okay, but not all decomposed. 9 atau boleh. Okay, boleh sah. Hantar je dekat chat. Teacher akan tengok one by one. Teacher ikut urutan tau. Siapa yang tanya dulu tu teacher buat daripada atas. Nanti tak terlepas pandang. Heated but not all decomposed. All the carbon dioxide is collected. All the carbon dioxide is collected and measured at room temperature and pressure. So the total volume of carbon dioxide produced total carbon dioxide produced is a 0.21. Okay. Silahkan. Okay, so now kita kena cari the mass of the sodium carbonate. So sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate. This one. So 2.1 gram mole equal to mass over molar mass. So 2.1 ni mole sodium hydrogen carbonate 2.1 I divide by 84. So berapa dapat?
0.025.
0.025. Okay, settle lah. Chemistry ni memang like after you calculate mole, they always have a ratio. Always have a ratio. Teacher, why I need a ratio? Okay, you kena faham. The information, alright? Okay, information, it will give you the sodium hydrogen carbonate. You nak calculate the sodium carbonate. So that's why you need to do the ratio. Because 2 mole of a sodium hydrogen carbonate, it will produce 1 mole of the sodium carbonate. Okay, 2 mole of sodium hydrogen carbonate, it will produce 1 mole of the sodium carbonate. Okay, so now you need to do ratio. Kalau SPM panjang tau ratio dia. So ni teacher buat ringkas je lah So kalau you belajar SPM, you kena learn the technique. Ni teacher buat ringkas je. So kalau IGCSE, you boleh buat macam ni je. 0.025 and then X. So 0.025 you divide by 2. Dapat
0.0125.
okay. So dia nak mass kan? Right? So dia want mass kan? So mass same. Mole equal to mass over molar mass. 0.0125 equal to mass X and then 106. So X equal to berapa?
1.33.
1.8.
60.
A kan? Sekejap
Depan dia A. Okay.
Macam salah ni je. Sekejap. Teacher rasa teacher salah ni. Sekejap. Teacher salah ambil sah. Sekejap 2.1 by 84. Let's do that like this. And then okay. Okay. Alright. Ni. In experiment, 2.1 gram of the sodium carbonate. Okay. 1.25. Bukan yang tu. Dia dah beritahu dah. They heated but not all decomposed. Not all decomposed maksudnya that one in excess lah. Kita tak boleh take the sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, sebab dia not all decomposed. So cepat padam balik. This one wrong. Tapi dia kata of all the carbon dioxide is collected and measured, of all carbon dioxide collected and measured at room temperature and pressure, the total volume of carbon dioxide produced is 0.21. So then you can relate antara carbon dioxide and sodium carbonate. Okay, sodium carbonate. Sebab saya tak perasan this one. Not all decompose. Not all decompose maksudnya like some in excess. It will not do the reaction. Okay, so is it clear, sah?
Clear je.
Okay, so now ini show dapat insyaAllah. 0.21 you kena divide by 24. Because you kena guna formula mole equal to volume divide by RTP. So volume dia dah in the M. So then 0.21 divide by 24. And then dapat berapa?
0.0088.
0.8750. Right? But then you need to do the ratio. Sodium carbonate, CO2. So 1, and then 0.00875. This apa 0.00875. So, dia nak mass mole equal to mass over molar mass. So, mass is mole is 0.00875. And then molar mass is 106. Dapat kan? 0.93. Ni. So you want this one. Ni. Patutlah ada 1.33. Okay. Oh, kalau tak you choose B kan? Okay, faham. Sebab this one dia kata in the experiment 2.1, this one you need to baca betul-betul. But teacher pun tak perasan this one. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated, but not all it decompose. Not all it decompose, so means that that one have in excess. So dia tak take reaction lah. So kita tak boleh make 2.1. So we need to take the 0.21 because they said that the carbon dioxide is collected and measured at room temperature and pressure. So the total volume of carbon dioxide produced is 0.2. The total volume. So maknanya you tahulah how many that sodium hydrogen carbonate yang completely reacted. Okay. So Mama B memang totally wrong lah. So, is it clear, sah?
Clear je. Thank you.
Yang percentage you tu, you need to calculate the CO2 with sodium hydrogen carbonate. Dia kalau like, okay, teacher buat Nah, kadang-kadang you nak tahu kan why the C and D wrong kan. So, teacher buat ratio. Ratio dia is between the sodium hydrogen carbonate Jadi sodium carbonate, CO2. 1 dengan 2. And then 0.00875. Berapa this one? 0.00875 times 2. So then you got the 0.0175. Siapa confusing, let me know we tahu teacher. Sekejap, teacher buat sini. Okay, satu. So then you got the sodium hydrogen carbonate. So you need to change to the mass. 1, 2. Mole equal to mass over molar mass. And then 0.0175 equal to X, and then molar mass equal to 84. And then X equal to times 84. So 1.47. See? Alright, 1.47. So sampai situ, is it clear, Sam?
Clear, teacher.
So then, you tahu in experiment, 2.1 gram of the sodium hydrogen carbonate is equal 2.1 gram. So in experiment, you cuma dapat 1.47 je. 1.47. So 1.47 gram for the sodium hydrogen carbonate divide by 2.1. And then you times with 100. You nak dapat percentage yield kan? So 1.47 divide by 2.1 and then times 100. 70%. Suppose 70%, tapi but wrong. Not see? So the answer A. Dah. She dah beritahu dah. So, is it clear? Any question? So, kena beware lah that one. Not all decomposed tu, that one is in excess. Cik bagi masa you untuk hadamkan dulu. Let me know. Kat ni ramai kan? Bagi masa you untuk like tengok. In case kan habis, kita dah habis ni. You all ada my number, right? Okay. You nak tanya soalan, teacher I tak faham, I need your explanation. So just let me know. You hantar je kat WhatsApp or Telegram. Satu lagi cik pesan, in case teacher tak reply. It's not, bukannya teacher tak suka tau. Tolong spam teacher banyak kali. Because sometimes teacher tengah drive, teacher tak perasan. Teacher buka tapi lupa nak reply. Okay? Right, jangan malu-malu, let me know. You nak belajar kan? Okay, teacher, I need your help. Just let me know. So teacher akan tolong you. Tapi you kena tegur teacher if teacher tak reply. Itu je cik nak beritahu. Jangan takut. Tak ada mengganggu, tak ada apa sang. Alright? Okay, settle. Teacher proceed to the next. Yang tanya cik soalan ni faham sang?
Faham, teacher.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. Kita go to the next. Jap. February March settle. Teacher energy release. Teacher paper bila kita tengah explain sekarang. Allahu Akbar. Mana? Jamali. Tadi tanya teacher kan? Teacher tengah explain. Bukan. Allahu Akbar. Ariana. Teacher, sorry. Teacher salah panggil nama. Ariana Tak apa, teacher dah terlepas ni. Okay. Kalau teacher terlepas you punya ni, tolong check lagi sekali . Okay, 20 and 25 variant 2-1. 20 and 25 variant 2-1 May, June Is it May, June, 2021. Yang ni ke? Okay, bukan yang ni, 2021. Okay, senang sayang, come. Okay, ni. Hebel dengan konteks always come out in your paper 2 kan? Okay, teacher bagi you.
Teacher, soalan 20.
22. 23. 22 sayang.
Soalan 20.
Soalan 20. May, June. Soalan 20. Ni. Sekejap.
Ya.
Alright. Okay, 20 ni yang tak saja 2021 pun ada tanya juga kan tadi. 20, 21, 22. Sekejap. Siapa tanya 2021? 20. Tadi salah lah 20 and 25. Okay. Ni. chemikinetic ni bahagian apa? Endo-exo. Okay. Yang selalu you all confuse kan? Okay. The hydrogen is made by the reacting carbon with steam. The equation for the reaction is shown. The forward reaction is endothermic. Okay. Forward is endo. Ni siapa yang nak tengok dia punya ni dekat ni May June 2021. Okay, May June 2024. 2024 variant 121. Kalau siapa yang nak tahu which paper yang teacher discuss ni, you beritahu tau. Right? Tak apa, teacher boleh beritahu, jangan risau. Okay, the forward reaction is endo. So the reverse reaction is exo. Okay, the forward reaction is endo, the reverse reaction is exo. Which row describe the change in the pressure and temperature that will both shift the position of equilibrium to the right. Okay. So maksudnya which row describe the change in the pressure. Dia nak change the pressure and temperature, tapi that will both shift to the position equilibrium to the right. So dia pergi ke right, dia go sini. Okay. Alright. So now you kena tahu tau. This one kita relate dengan sistem. So sekarang ni, kalaulah sistem you, alright, your system you, temperature you tengah increase. Okay, yang ni sistem dalam enclosed system. Temperature you tengah increase. Okay, kalau is a high temperature, your system will be damaged tau. When your system will be damaged, kalau high temperature. So now you nak kena decreasekan the temperature tu. So if you want to decrease the temperature, you kena cari endo. Sebab endo yang boleh absorb heat from surrounding. Kita ulang balik Okay. Kalau this question 20 ni, dia involve your system. Okay, dia involve your system. Sekarang ni your system ni, right, kita tak tahu. Kita nak shift to the right. Kita nak make sure kan dia jadi shift to the right. So dia produce more H2 dengan CO. So kita nak di endo. Okay. Kalau temperature increase. So ni temperature increase. Ni temperature system tau. You kena ingat kalau temperature system tu is a 2 increase. Dia boleh dia boleh what we call damage your system. They can damage your system. So to decrease the temperature, alright, to decrease the temperature, this one, you nak decrease the temperature, you kena cari endo. Sebab endo je yang boleh absorb heat from surrounding. Dia absorb heat from surrounding dan dia decrease the temperature. Endo je boleh buat macam tu. Okay. Now kalau system you, temperature you decrease. You apply the temperature decrease. So that you punya reaction jadi macam inactive. So then this one you kena cari, you kena nak increasekan balik temperature, you want to increase back temperature in the system, you kena cari exo. Sebab exo you boleh release heat to the surrounding. Okay, yang tanya teacher tu. Is it clear, sah? Baca Syah, is it clear, sah? Yang teacher explain now.
Clear, teacher.
Okay. Right, so settle. Now you nak shift to the right tau. You nak shift to the right, you kena cari endo. Okay, you kena cari endo. So it means that now your temperature increase. Teacher, why temperature increase? Ini sistem sayang. Bila sistem you increase, alright, the temperature dalam sistem, dalam enclosed you buat reaction ni, alright, increase. You kena cari endo or exo to absorb heat ni untuk decreasekan temperature back to the normal. Sama macam you macam bayu lah, hemostasis. Okay. Right. So you decreasekan temperature. So you nak decrease temperature, endo je lah boleh buat endo. You can absorb heat and decrease the temperature. So Your answer will be either B or D. Okay, sampai situ. Batisha, is it clear?
Okay.
Alright. So settle out temperature. I tahu temperature yang always you got confusing. Pressure, no. Pressure senang. Temperature je selalu sebab student confused. Alamak, I tak faham. So, senang-senang you hafal je macam tu. So, kalau you hafal, you tak erti nak apply. Cannot do, tak boleh buat juga. So, you kena faham the concept. You need to understand the concept. Okay. Ni pressure 1, 1. So, ni 2 mole. Then this one, 1, 1. This 2 mole. Adakah tidak balance or what? Ini pressure ni tak naik tau. Sebab pressure sama tau. Oh. Teacher tak nampak saya. Patut pelik kan. Ni solid ni. Pressure always involve gases. So then, sebab kalau 2-2, sepatutnya dia pressure stay same. Dia tak boleh nak shift to the right, tak boleh shift to the left. So maksudnya like shift to the right, shift to the left is the same. Dah saya pelik tak ada same memang. Oh, rupanya carbon tu solid. Carbon solid you cannot dia tak boleh count sebab pressure always involve gases. So 1. Baca, tengok betul-betul. Oh, gas. Settle. Okay. Selalu dia bagi gas. Now dia bagi solid. Okay. So, and then, if you want to shift to the right, shift to the right, 1 to 2. So, from the last mole to the large mole. From the last to the more mole. From the last to the more mole. So, last to the more, you kena cari pressure decrease. So, pressure decrease, less to more. Pressure increase, more to less. So, this one. B. Is it clear, Batusha?
Yes, teacher. Clear.
Okay. Siapa yang tak clear, let me know.
Teacher. Maksudnya yang C solid tu dia tak ada mole lah ke macam mana?
Tak ada. Dia ada 1 mole of carbon tapi dia tak involve dalam pressure. So, pressure you kena ingat. Pressure ni only gases.
Oh.
Okay.
So left hand side tu satu je lah mole dia.
Satu je mole dia. Okay, betul. Nanti kita akan ada break sekejap. Jadi you all break dalam 10 minit. You all kat dalam jangan ada give up kan sayang. Alright, kalau you rasa nak give up, let me know. Teacher tolong you. Jangan risau. Alright, teacher ada. Okay, so boleh teacher proceed?
Boleh.
Boleh So, question 25. 25. Yang ni Batisha?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, ethanol acid. Okay, ada 2 carbon. So, bila ada 2 carbon kan, you find the 2 carbon. Oh, teacher ni 1 carbon, teacher 1 carbon. So, I cancel this one. Because 1 carbon is a methanoic acid. Okay, so now either C or D. Either C or D. So then, reversible dengan, okay. Siapa follow teacher untuk acid base, alright? Teacher ada buat acronym for the strong acid. So, which is a Haikal. Ni bertukar lah, Himan ke, tak kisahlah your name kawan H. Haikal, so, noti. So, that one is a strong acid. Only these three is a strong acid. Only these three. So which is a HCl, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, H2SO4. No, T is a nitric acid, HNO3. So other than that is a weak acid. Okay, other than that is a weak acid. Strong acid is a one arrow because they're fully ionized, fully dissociate. If a weak acid, it will be like, so double arrow. Double arrow. Okay, so then it will be reversible. Reversible. So that one is dia partially dissociate. Alright, so reversible. So this one ethanoic acid is weak lah. The answer will be C. Dan student cube, boleh ke we separatekan mana dissociatekan belakang ni? Yes kan. Carboxylic acid memang dekat at the back. So memang like CH3COO minus dengan H plus. Carboxylic acid memang macam tu. Only the carboxylic acid lah. Okay, so is it clear, Baisha?
Yes, thank you, teacher.
Welcome, Chan. So, ada any questions, Azman? Ada apa-apa nak tanya before teacher nak proceed to the next?
Mami.
Mami pergi.
Makanan, makanan, tak nak makanan.
Ambil nasi dekat rumah.
Kalau ambil, ya. Merah. Nasi.
Nasi lauk je.
Ada siapa tanya kat sini? Teacher, nitrogen memang ada triple bond. Aiman, ni. Pergi dekat teacher Lina yang no host tu, yang tak ada host tu. Cuba say hi, Aiman. Mana Aiman? Aiman ada? You tanya teacher pasal triple bond. Nitrogen memang triple bond. Aiman, nitrogen memang triple bond, Aiman. Dia triple bond tu maksudnya nitrogen tadi tu dia boleh jadi macam ni, dia boleh jadi macam ni, dan dia boleh jadi macam ni. As long as dia kena ada 3 bond. Is it clear, Aiman? Okay, good job. Alhamdulillah. Okay, welcome. Okay, so ni dekat teacher punya laptop. So, teacher boleh nampak. Okay, settle. Now, jap. Ada lagi. Sebelum kita take break, teacher habiskan dulu soalan yang you tanya. Okay. Teacher soalan 9 Oktober November 2023. Okay, yang ni Iman, Luz Iman. You tak beritahu teacher variant mana sayang? Variant 1 ke 2 ke 3? Oktober, November, soalan nombor 9. 21, 22, 23. 23. Variant 23. Soalan nombor 9. Si calculation kan? Selalu kat calculation. Selalunya lah. Allah alam. Oh. Ni. Yang ni kah? Okay. What is the form? Oh. Dia bagi macam ni kan? Sini ringkasnya. You kena divide by sampai jadikan dia the whole number. Dia macam confusing apa benda dia nak ni sebenarnya. Ni actually dia under empirical formula. Mula empirical formula. Tapi tak apa, it's okay. X, Y and Z. 0.6 mol, 1.2 mol, 0.3. Okay, which one is the smallest number of mole? Smallest number of mole 0.3 kan? So divide by 0.3, you divide by 0.3, you divide by 0.3. Kita tengok ya. 0.6 divide by 0.3 and then you got 2. 1.2 divide by 0.3. Betul kan? Lah, macam ni je teacher. Macam ni je sayang. Okay. Ni actually under empirical formula dia bagi ni. More tu kita kan kalau you buat empirical formula kan, okay, teacher guna ni tau. Ada guideline lah kalau you nak buat empirical formula. England monkey no Moscow. Ada sebenarnya teacher, apa maksud England monkey no Moscow? Macam kata lah England monkey tak pergi sekolah lah. England monkey tak pergi sekolah. Okay. Alright, so element mass, number of mole. This one is a simplest ratio. So dia macam like, dia ambil kat sini je. Dia kat sini. Dia dah kat sini dah. Dia tak ada mass. Dia dah number of mole. Sebab dia tu mole. So jawapan dia apa? Oh ni. D. Is it clear? Iman? Iman? Simple je. You just divide by smallest number of mole. Kenapa teacher ambil 0.3? Sebab 0.3 smallest number of mole. So based on the empirical formula. Kalau you nak cari simplest ratio tu kan, you kena ambil smallest number of mole kan. Cuma kalau you jumpa 1.5 je, you kena times ke 2. Okay. Yang lain clear tak sayang? Yang ni October November 2023. Okay, October November 2023. Ya. October November 2023, variant 23 juga. Kalau teacher too fast, let me know sayang, jangan risau, teacher boleh back balik. Yang penting jangan give up tengah-tengah ramai-ramai ni, beritahu je. Any question kan? Ada apa-apa soalan nak tanya before teacher go to the next?
Tak ada.
Tak ada, okay. Ada lagi cik siapa tanya lagi cik? Teacher 9, okay. Miss ulang balik faham, okay. Teacher soalan nombor 9. Oktober, November. Okay, settle 1.5. Okay, May, June 2022, question 40. May, June. Sayang, May, June, teacher panggil Christina Adriana. You tanya teacher May, June 2022, tapi variant berapa sayang? Variant berapa? Variant 1, variant 2, variant 3? So variant 2. Macam teacher extract. Ada dalam ni tapi teacher takut tak jumpa. Susah nak. Saya terus je extract pada sini. May, June 2022, variant 2. May, June 2022, variant 2. 22, May, June, variant 2. Tak boleh. Question 40. Okay, kita je. Sekejap 40. Okay, Sina Adana, is it this one sayang? Yang ni ke? Okay. Alright, so same linkage. Terelin. Kena ingatlah terelin. Okay, dalam polimer teacher buat tena. Dalam minute dia ada tena. Tena ni under condensation polymerization. So T ni terelin tau sayang. Terelin ni ester linkage. Ester linkage polyester. So maksudnya like dia kena ada C double bond O. Nah ni N ni ialah nylon. Nylon ni amide. Amide linkage. Polyamide. Okay, amide linkage, polyamide. So, and then after that, you kena like cari pteryline COO. Okay, COO. Oh, semua COO. Okay, faham. Okay, dia nak same linkage of the pteryline. Sekejap, wait. Nitrogen nylon ni, kalau amide linkage ni, dia ada N. Dia ada nitrogen. The keyword dia ada nitrogen. C double bond O and then H. Okay, so memandangkan dia quite similar. So you boleh cancel You boleh cancel yang tak ada C double bond O. So dan ini you boleh cancel. This one you boleh cancel. Dia kena ada C double bond O macam ni. Right, sebab ester linkage nanti mesti ada sini. Mesti ada O ni. This one. Ni mesti ada O. Sebab ester linkage, dia from the carboxylic acid. Tu. So jawapan dia either B or C. Tapi ester linkage ni, right, pteryline ni, dia tak ada nitrogen tau. Now dia ada one nitrogen here. So that's wrong. Your answer will be B. Okay, is it clear? Nak teacher recall balik ke?
Yes.
Yeah. Yang tanya teacher, this question is it okay? Faham ke? Nak teacher repeat, beritahu. Tak apa, it's okay. Teacher boleh repeat, don't worry. As long as you faham. Kisna, is it clear? G-U-J-W-P. Oh, okay, faham. Oh, okay, boleh. Tak ada masalah. Cuba tunggu. Nak teacher repeat balik pun beritahu. Ada berapa orang lagi? This one. Ada 2. So, after this, kita take break kejap. Ada lagi 2 soalan yang teacher nak jawab. Alright. So, lepas break, teacher jawab this one. Ada 2 person. Oh, ada nitrogen sah. This one. Kita ada N. Kalau dia kata same linkage. If they say that same linkage with pteryline dia no nitrogen. Pteryline no nitrogen. So pteryline cuma ada carbon and hydrogen and oxygen. So they say that same linkage dengan pteryline. Teacher cancel A and B, you tahu kan, because dia tak ada C double bond. Oh, dia tak ada this one. Lepas tu, and then between C and B pula, you confusing. Dia macam like, oh teacher, dia dah already have this one, C double bond O, C double bond O. Tapi why tak choose C? Why choose B? I choose C because I tahu pteryline dia does not have a nitrogen. Inside the structure dia tu, dia tak ada nitrogen. No nitrogen. So that's why I cancelkan C, I B. Is it clear? Siap. Alhamdulillah. Okay, alhamdulillah. Okay, kita, yang mana lagi yang tengah buat soalan, beritahu dia kat chat. Okay, teacher akan jawab. Okay, ada lagi 2 soalan ni. Lepas break nanti teacher akan jawab soalan you. Ada dua kawan tanya. Tanya question 18 May June 2024 dengan question 17 May June 2024 juga. Okay. Alright, kita take break 10 minit. 7 lah. 10 minit lama sangat. Sekarang ni 10.55, you tambahkan dengan 7. Okay. Pukul 11.05 lah. Okay, 11.05 kita start balik, okay? Right. So break until Okay, son. Right, kita continue. Okay, sekejap, wait. Teacher, soalan nombor 17, May, June 2024. 23. May, June 2024. 23, variant 23, variant 23. Question 17. Okay, yang tanya teacher ni. This one, right? Ada. Siapa? Erina. Bukan Erina. Yang tanya teacher soalan question 17. Boleh say hi tak? The variant 23, May, June 2024. Betul ke soalan ni? Dia tanya ni? Ada ke? Dia belum sampai lagi. Okay, tak apa. Teacher proceed. Dia ada kawan yang minta question number 17. 17 May, June 2024. 23. Kalau ada boleh say hi. Yang ni ke soalannya? Tak apa, kita leave it dulu. Kita go to the next. Soalan lain dulu. Saya rasa dia belum masuk lagi kat sini. Kena pergi toilet ke? Okay. Sekejap, teacher cari yang lain. Okay, saya tak faham soalan 18, May, June 2024, variant 21. May, June 2024, variant 21. May, June 2024, variant 21. Okay. Yang ni yang tanya teacher ni, May, June 2024, variant 21, question 18. Yang ni ke? Okay. Mana cerita ni? Alright, so powder magnesium carbonate is added to excess dilute hydrochloric acid, OSS. The total volume of gas produced is measured over the time. Okay. The experiment is repeated, but the concentration of hydrochloric acid is double. Dia repeat, tapi dia doublekan concentration. So kalau concentration sini 0.2, sini 0.5. Ni teacher just buat je lah sebab dia double. More DM negative 3 and then more DM negative 3. Okay. So all the other conditions are kissing. Which statement about the second experiment is correct, that one. So, okay, now you tahu kan like in RGCSE for the rate of reaction. So rate of reaction you belajar about the catalyst, concentration, temperature, size, pressure. Okay. So now they involve the concentration tau. Yang lain they keep same. Right? They involve the concentration. So kita ambil concentration. So which statement about the second experiment is correct, that one. So the final volume is 360. The final volume is 360. This one, the volume dia, the total volume gas collected is berapa ni? Uh, 122.468. 180. 180. Kalau dia set that double, $180, double is 180, then 360. Hmm, 360. Okay. Check maybe kita check balik. Okay. The final volume 360. And then they said that direction finish before 90 second. So this one 90 second is 100 minus 75. And then divide by 5. 5. 75 plus with 50. So this one. Okay, direction finish before 90. So this one is yes, correct. Okay. Okay, so the reaction finish before 19, yes, because concentration is high. Alright, because the concentration is high. Okay, and then teacher ni, number 2 memang number 2 confirm correct that one, number 2. Okay, so number 2 is confirm, correct that one. Okay, so, is it clear, sir?
Clear.
Faham.
Alright. Okay, the activation energy of the reaction is lower. Okay, the activation energy is, that one is lower. Activation energy, this one tau. Because activation energy is before this one. Allah Akbar. This one. Ni activation energy. From here, this one. Ni we call EA. So EA is activation energy. Okay, so the activation energy reaction is lower. So kalau lower ni you added catalyst tau. Now you tak added catalyst tau. You tak ada added catalyst pun. Catalyst dia, this one usually is a copper to sulfate. Catalyst for metal plus acid. Kalau real reaction. So you tak added catalyst. You tak ada added copper to sulfate. Ada tak added copper to sulfate? Okay, tak ada. No. Okay. Okay. So, maknanya number 3 is wrong. So, teacher cancel number 3. So, now is 1, 2 and 2 only. So kita check balik. Number 2 memang, number 2, yes, correct that one. Now kita check number 1. The final volume of the gas is 360. The experiment is repeated, but the concentration of the hydrochloric acid is a double. So kita check this one is a total gas volume produced is 160. 180. So kalau double, the volume of the gas produced kalau double is 180. 180 is 360. Okay. How to get the final volume of the 360? Oh, teacher total up je because they said the double. So maknanya kalau concentration of hydrochloric acid ni, and increase lah, this one dia buat 0.2. Okay. So dia kata concentration of the hydrochloric acid ni dia doublekan. So daripada 0.2 mol ni, 0.2 mol GM ni, teacher just times 2 je. The volume the same. Volume dia sama. Contoh ni contoh tau, dia tak bagi. I tak dah the volume dia 50 cm3. This one nak letak lah 50 cm3. Sebab dia kata the all other condition is a keep same. Okay. Sampai situ, is it clear?
Okay, teacher.
So maknanya that one is check mol. Kita check mol 50 times 0.2 I divide by 100. 1000, so I dapat 0.01 mol. So 0.4 times 50 and then divide by 1000. So I dapat 0.02. So nampak tak? The mole dia double. So kalau mole double, dia punya volume, total volume of the gas produced for sure double lah. So kalau double this one, the final volume of the gas produced is 360 cm. So number 1 betul. So A. Ni betul kan? 180. So sini 20, 20, 20, 20. Okay, correct 20. So 180. 180 plus 180 is 364. Dah, So, is it clear sekarang?
Faham.
Faham Ada apa soalan? Any question? Sekejap Okay, yang tanya teacher. Question number 17. 2024 variant 2-1. Ada ke? Dah ingat ni? Question number 18. Sorry, 18. Salah. Question number 17. Mei Jun. Dia guna nama ayah dia. Tadi dia beritahu teacher, tapi teacher lupa nama dia. Teacher check balik. Dekat sini. Oh, Erina. Erina. Erina, sayang? Ada tak sayang?
Ya, saya ada.
Oh, okay, Erina. Alright. So, ni dah sayang? Any question sayang? No?
Saya soalan major variant 3, soalan nombor 17.
17 Sekejap. Sekejap sebelum tu yang tanya teacher soalan ni, is it clear? Oh, faham dah. Okay. Mei Jun 2020 berapa? 24 variant 23. Soalan 17. Mei Jun 2000. Ini atau November, sorry. Variant 23. Ini kan? Ini kan?
Ya.
Wah, banyaknya. Okay. Ini panjang-panjang. Okay. An experiment, the total volume of oxygen produced is 100. The experiment repeated using 1 gram of the solid catalyst. All the other conditions remain the same. And then we should describe the okay, sayang. First thing. Kalau you use catalyst, you can ingat catalyst, it will they have a change in physical but not chemical. So means that it will not use up. Okay, they have a change in physical but not chemical. So it's not used up. Okay, used up. So the mass of catalyst, supposedly it cannot less than 1. It must be 1 only. It can change physical, like you added granule, the large particle, and then the end of reaction you dapat dalam bentuk powder. Tu physical can change, but if you add 1 gram of granule, okay, tapi you dapat untuk the powder dia in the 1 gram also. Okay, 1 gram also. So sama. So then, so teacher need to cancel A and B. Okay, sampai dekat situ. Is it clear, Sam?
Teacher, boleh ulang balik tak?
Boleh? Sekejap. Okay. Alright, so the experiment they using catalyst tau. Okay, catalyst ni you kena ingat, catalyst ni a substance that when you use, they can change physical, but not chemical. So physical tu, this one we call a large granule. A large granule. So then it can become a smaller one. Okay, so then maybe a small powder. Ini catalyst. Catalyst, it can change the physical. But chemical, no. Because it will not use in experiment. Dia takkan use pun. Dia just lower the activation energy. Dia cepatkan sahaja. Kalau you masuk 1 gram of the large granule, you akan dapat balik 1 gram of a small powder. You akan dapat balik benda yang sama, small gram. The mass sama. It will not use up. Okay? The catalyst will not use up in the reaction. Dia takkan guna dalam you punya, maksudnya means that dia takkan kacau you punya product lah, the amount of product. No, dia just cepatkan saja. If before this, without catalyst, maybe, okay, if without catalyst, maybe you dapat product dalam around 10 hours, 10 jam. When you added catalyst, dalam 1 minute dah you dah dapat dah produk. Dia cepat sahaja. Okay, so I cancel A and B. Because they said that less than. Patutnya dia kena 1 also. Same. Okay, is it clear yang tanya teacher ni? Okay. So now either C or D. Okay, either C or D. 100, the total volume 100 or more than 100. Okay, in experiment, the total volume of oxygen is 100. Dah bagi dah ke? In experiment, the total volume tau of oxygen produced is 100. So which row? Oh, okay, faham. Dia nak you faham actually, the letak catalyst, dia akan alter the reaction or not. Dia akan ubah produk or not. Dia tak akan ubah produk. Dia nak you faham, actually dia nak you faham konsep catalyst tu sebenarnya. Okay, dia nak faham konsep catalyst. So the answer will be C lah. Dia tak ada calculation pun. No calculation. Dia macam pelik kan? Tapi dia sini the aim for this question, dia nak you faham, dia nak you understand. The catalyst ni is what? Catalyst ni memang substance. You added. Alright, you added dalam your reaction. Tapi it will not use up. Dia takkan digunakan. They just lower the activation energy. Kalau before this, you punya chemical reaction kan, yang ni. Alright, you kena naik activation energy you tinggi ni. Right, untuk form the product. When you added catalyst, automatically they lower the activation energy. Ni yang you buat closure theory kan. Ni lower the activation energy. Bila lower the activation energy, the time that it fast, cepat. The product you dapat pun cepat. Tapi product still same. Kalau before this you dapat 1 gram, example, the product yang untuk added catalyst pun also 1 gram. Tapi masa cepat. Ini 1 gram for the 10 hour, ni 1 gram for the 1 minute. Ini you added catalyst. Okay, so is it clear, Irina?
Oh, thank you, teacher.
Okay, welcome, sir. Nampak macam banyak kan, you kena calculation tau. Itu cakap first impression, bila nampak macam susah, You need to baca bismillah. InsyaAllah benda tu senang je. Okay.
Teacher,
Mhm.
boleh tak teacher patah balik ke soalan 18 tadi? Saya nak tanya soalan.
Sekejap, mana tadi 18. Oh, 18 tadi eh?
Yang graf tadi.
Yang ni kan? Ni eh?
Yang ni.
Ha.
Kenapa 18 jawapan dia A, teacher? Sebab kalau tengok balik soalan, dia tanya the experiment is repeated but all maksudnya volume tu sama je. Bukannya dia campur 180 lagi. Yang ubah hanyalah concentration je. So
Kalau kau okay,
saya jawab D. Saya jawab D.
you jawab
Jawapan dia plan
okay.
D.
Kalau ikutkan teacher dah check dah dalam answer scheme jawapan dia D kan? Betul?
Betul.
Dalam jawapan scheme. Kalau concentration, dia kata the experiment repeated concentration of the hydrochloric acid is double tau. Okay. So, dibayangkan ni contoh 0.2 mol, okay, 50 cm cube. Tapi dia kata the concentration of the hydrochloric acid double. So maksudnya kalau 0.2, dia guna 0.2 above, bawah ni 0.4. Betul tak? Okay. The volume still same sebab dia kata all condition dia sama. So I ambil lah 50 cm cube, this one 50 cm cube. Betul?
Betul.
Okay, alright. Okay. So, sekarang ni, kalau you kira 0.2 you timeskan 50, alright, you divide by 1000. And you nak cari untuk hydrogen gas. Okay. Sebab magnesium, you plus with the HCl. Okay, and then you got the magnesium chloride plus H2. Okay. Alright, so this one is 2 HCl. So ni Syamian 0.2, this one 50. 50 cm cube, 0.2 mol, DM negative 3. So you akan dapat, this one is, mol dia adalah 0.01 mol. Okay, sampai sini clear tak Syam?
Clear sih.
Okay. Kita relatekan dengan H2, the product of H2. Sebab dia kata volume of hydrogen, volume of gas kat sini kan? Okay, kalau kita kira volume dia, volume dia 50, 0.01, I divide by 2. Okay, and then dia dapat, sini you can dapat 0.005 mol, betul? So teacher timeskan dengan 24, teacher akan dapat 0.12. This one is in the DM cube. So teacher timeskan dengan 1000, sorry. Teacher akan dapat 12 cm cube. Okay. Sampai sini faham tak? Faham Okay. So maknanya, jangan kira yang 1AO ni, biar dulu. Sekarang ni teacher nak bagi nampak yang actually you punya volume of gas akan naik double. Okay, sebab concentration you dah berubah. Okay, sekejap Right, so now yang bawah ni teacher buat, teacher ubahkan 0.4 mol DM negative 3, yang ini 50 cm cube. Okay. Teacher tak ubah concentration maksudnya, teacher tak ubah the volume. Volume dia sama. Okay. Right, so 0.4, teacher times with 50 dan divide by 1000. So teacher akan dapat 0.02. Okay, sampai dekat sini you faham tak Syah?
Faham sih.
Okay Lepas tu, and then teacher buat ratio lah. Kalau teacher buat ratio, teacher akan dapat divide by 2. Divide by 2. So dapat 0.01 mol. Okay, untuk H2. 0.01 mol, teacher timeskan dengan 24. Teacher akan dapat 0.24 dm cube. So lepas tu 0.24 dm cube, teacher darabkan dengan 1000. Teacher akan dapat 240. 240. Ni. Nampak tak volume naik double?
Nampak.
So answer kita salah. So number 1 betul. Number 1 betul. So nanti dia bagi bonus mark lah untuk yang ni.
Okay. Thank you, teacher.
Yeah.
Okay. Clear.
Alright. So you kena ingat, dalam rate of fraction, volume dia tak ada involve apa-apa pun. I means that you all selalu confusing. Macam like you all selalu concerned about the volume tu. Okay. Kita apa-apa kalau you nak tengok volume, you kena kira number of mole. From the number of mole tu, you kena ambil MV over 1000. You buat calculation macam teacher buat. So then you akan nampak. Volume tu berubah, dia tak ada involve your punya, dia tak ada alter you punya reaction. Kalau concentration, yes. Tapi tadi dia kata concentration kan, ni concentration dia double. Kalau dia kata volume dia double, memang teacher tak akan ambil ni lah, sama je. Kalau ni dia kata concentration. So maybe ni ada error lah. Tapi memang confirm jawapan dia yang mati. Bonus mark lah actually. Okay, so is it clear? Kalau you all got confused, beritahu je saya. Tak apa, it's okay, teacher try explain. Kadang teacher salah kan. Tapi ni confirm lah, teacher betul. Okay, so ada apa-apa soalan? Any questions nak tanya?
No, teacher.
No Okay.
Okay.
Let's go to the next. 17 settle, 18 settle. 36, 36, May, June 2023. May, June 2023. Salah. May, June 2023. Variant 1. May, June 2023. Variant 1. Ya Allah. So question 38, 36. Yang tanya teacher ni 38, 36, 38, 36, 38, 36, 38, 36. Yang ni ke saya? Christina? Christina ada? Christina, I don't know. Yang ni ke? Ni Okay. So, what is the structure of the product of the reaction of propene with bromine? So, what is the structure of the product of the reaction of propene with the bromine? Okay. Prop, 3 carbon. So, you have a 3 carbon. Right? You have the 3 carbon. And then, one double bond lah because alkene kan. Okay, double bond because alkene. Oh, ada yeah. Okay, double bond. C double bond C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So H, 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 and H. So bromine ni actually Br2 tau. So Br2 ni Br and Br. Okay, so Br and Br. So Br and Br, Br go to here and then Br go to here. Itu. So dia akan jadi like so this one Br, Br, H, 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 and H. Okay, sampai sini. Is it clear, Krishna? So, masukkan double bond. Daripada double bond tu dia akan pecah jadi single bond.
Faham.
Faham
Hmm.
Okay. So mana this one? Dia akan jadi this one. Okay. Pasti you kena cari kat soalan. Which one is correct that one? So ni dah hujung-hujung ni. Memang totally wrong lah. Dia tak boleh. Dan tak boleh ada double bond. Sebab dia dah jadi produk. So no double bond. Dia dah masuk added. So double bond dia remove. Oh, and then only one bromine. So wrong. Sebab bromine Br2. They need to have a 2 bromine. So one here, one here. So the answer will be C. Is it clear?
Okay, teacher.
Yeah. So teacher nak proceed 38 pula. Siap. Sekejap your friend dia tanya teacher sekejap. Sekejap Okay. Ada. Dia ada WhatsApp teacher. Jadi teacher clarify. Sekejap Okay. Yang ni faham tak sayang?
Faham.
Okay. Next. Now, 38. So, 38, which statement about the polymer are correct, that one? Okay, so about the polymer are correct here. Okay, polymer is a nylon and polymer is formed by the condensation polymerization. So, there is the linkage of the monomer. Okay, so now, if you see the nitrogen here, ni linkage of this one, all. So, if you see the nitrogen, tadi tena Okay, tena. Okay, so that one is Caroline, and then that one is Esther, that one is nylon, that one is Ahmad. Ahmad. Okay. Alright, so now is nylon kan? So nylon Ahmad. So nylon Ahmad, the polymer is nylon. So number 1 is correct here. So kalau ada number 1 is correct, that one is 1 and 2 lah. So ni wrong. So wrong. Which statement about the polymer is correct? So the polymer is a nylon. Okay, the polymer is nylon. So wait nice kita kena check dulu. Korang salah pula that one. Okay, kita check dulu. Okay, so there is the linkage between the monomer. Number 3 memang totally wrong. So teacher cancel this one. Okay, sampai dekat situ. Is it clear, Sang?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, right. Sekejap. Justina, is it clear, Sang? Okay. Alright, so now the polymer is formed by the condensation polymerization. Okay, tanner memang under condensation polymerization. Okay, tanner memang under condensation polymerization. So this one memang condensation polymerization, you know right, the removal of the small molecule. Alright, usually kalau small molecule for RGCIC is water lah, H2O. Dia ada HCl, hydrogen chloride, tapi jarang. Selalu memang H2O. Okay, the H2O. Kalau you pecah this one kan, alright, C double bond O, then you ada OH. And then NH ni, kalau you pecahkan this one, NH and then H. Sudah tak ada. Dia buat removal of the small molecule. Okay, done. Okay, so now number 2 correct. So 1, 2 and 2. Okay, now the polymer is a nylon. Okay, so the polymer is nylon. So if you see the nylon, if you see the amide linkage, so ni amide linkage. Alright, so one of the polymer ni we can call a nylon. But thirdly ni C double bond O. Okay, so number 1 dengan number 2, surut A. So,
Teacher, nak tanya yang structure untuk nylon ni bukannya kalau contoh kotak putih tu NH, bukannya lepas kotak putih tu kena NH pula ke? Ke sama je?
oh maksud you dia punya wait. Maksud you punya kotak
Kalau
dia
tengok dalam buku dia macam tu.
the same kan?
Dia same. Kalau tengok dalam buku dia same. So saya ingatkan C jawapan dia.
Sekejap. Betul. Betul. Yang ni amino acid. Sebab
Okay.
kotak dia tak sama. So kalau kotak dia sama, macam like semua black sini, alright. So that one is a nylon. So kalau kotak tak sama this one, that one we call amino acid. Betul sah. Ini betul. You need correct that one. So the answer will be C only.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay sah. Ini betul. Okay, so is it clear sah? Ada apa-apa nak tanya? Any question?
Tak ada.
Okay. Okay. So nylon ni, alright, okay. Yang nylon ni kalau you nak tahu nylon, okay, the box will be same. So kalau dia buat semua color sama, okay, tapi dia still lagi C double bond O, and then N and H, and then C double bond O, and then N and H, okay. So this one we call nylon. So kalau you nampak still ada like NH ni, ini amide linkage. Ni still lagi amide linkage. Okay, kalau you ada different box, okay, ni different box. Okay, so this one dia ada color, dia ada different color lah. Right, so this one under amino acid. So, is it clear, Sang? Any question for this one? Ini memang cerita silap lah. For one.
Yeah.
Clear? Kisina, is it clear? Faham Okay. So, teacher go to the next. Sekejap Okay, clear. Alright, so dah settle. Teacher boleh explain paper May June 2022, variant 2, question 29. May June 2022. May June 2022. Sekejap. Variant 2, 39. May June 2023. So May, June 2022, variant 2, 39. Ya Allah. Okay, this one. Okay. Yang tanya teacher ni ada ke? Is it this question? Okay. Alright. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so ethane. Ethane react with the chlorine in the presence of ultraviolet light. Okay, this one we call photochemical reaction. Okay, photochemical reaction. Dia under substitution. Substitution. Okay, right. Okay, dia under substitution reaction. Okay, di bawah alkene. Ethane, alkene. Alkene. Right, so alkene, ethane is C2H4. How did you get the C2H4? So based on the CnH2n plus 2. So you put here 2 and 2. Okay. Right, C2H6. So now which substance is produced in the reaction? So this substitution ni, photochemical reaction ni, you break down the bond tau. You break down the bond and then you do the substitution. You substitute kan. Okay. Right, so dia dengan apa? Chlorine, Cl. Okay, so for example CCH, H, and H. Okay, so you plus with the Cl and Cl. Okay. So you substitute that one. And then you substitute here, then arrow C, H, and H. H and then Cl and then H plus HCl. Okay, sampai kat sini kita buat. Sekejap mari kita highlight that one. Okay. That's right. Okay, sampai dekat situ. Is it clear, Sam?
Yeah.
So, clear Alright, so dia tanya you. So which substance, alright, so which substance is produced in the reaction? Okay, which substance is produced in the reaction? So then you nampak kan, kita boleh produce HCl. Okay, we can produce the HCl. So when we can produce the HCl, so number 4 is correct, that one. Okay, so number 4 is correct. So number 4, so teacher cancel. Then either C or D. Okay, either C or D. So and then number 1 memang totally wrong lah. So no HH. So then one of the product here, this one. Okay, this one. And then say, teacher, the answer is a 2 and 4. Okay, you tahu tak substitution ni, you boleh buat reaction sampai substitute all H. Okay, you can substitute all H. So for the second punya, okay, this one the Cl kan, H and then H, H and H. So plus with the Cl and Cl. So you can substitute again for the H. So nanti the product will become Cl, Cl, H, 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 and H. And then plus with Cl. Okay, you can substitute all H. So number 3, still correct that one. So 2, 3, and 4. Is it clear, sir? If you ada confusion, let me know. Hadam dulu tuan. You boleh substitute all H. Substitution, okay, you boleh substitute all H. Depend lah, you nak H berapa. You nak substitute, apa nama ni, like 3H kan? 4H kan? So depend on you punya chemical reaction. Okay, so clear right? Okay. So, any questions ah?
Sure.
Sebenarnya kita dah jawab semua soalan dah. Yang teacher tersilap tadi for the TENA lah. Right? Kalau box tu different, amino acid. Amino acid still lagi nylon. Tapi dia under amino acid under natural polymer. Kalau nylon tu synthetic. So kalau nylon tu tadi like kena same box. Semua kena apa like color box tu kena sama. Tapi the linkage still amide linkage. Itu je cerita silap that one. Okay. Alright. So any question lagi? You nak tanya that one? Kita ada lagi 10 minutes. Ada ke lagi yang teacher terlepas? So far okay. Cuma clarify, your friend tanya ada hantar teacher for the volume. Nanti teacher tengok balik kawan. Pasal volume dengan ni. Okay, any questions? So far okay?
Okay, Cik. Cik, saya nak tanya soalan 12.
15. Variant berapa?
Februari Mac 2023, variant 22.
Okay, February March. Tadi teacher ada extract kan, February March 2023. Okay, ni kan, okay, which one? Yang mana?
Soalan 12.
Soalan 12 ni?
Ya betul. Itu.
Okay. Ini selalunya student confuse tau. Endo dengan Enzo ni, you all akan fikir temperature substance tau. Okay, you kena ingat, for Enzo and Endo, we just measure temperature surrounding. Okay, temperature surrounding. Okay, when the powder sodium carbonate, okay, so when the powder sodium carbonate, okay, and aqueous ethanol acid are mixed, okay, the temperature of the mixture will be fall. Okay, the temperature of the mixture will be fall. So which about this reaction? Oh, teacher tahu. You mesti ingat mixture ni temperature substance kan? So you can ingat temperature mixture tu actually dia involve surrounding tau. Sekejap, teacher tunjuk you dulu. Mana ni macam chemical energetic. Sekejap, teacher tunjuk you punya mana teacher punya notes. Ini sorry. Ni. Okay, tak kisahlah dia tanya you pasal mixture ke apa ke. That one semua involve surrounding. So the reaction mixtures in the test tube, they involve surrounding. Air around the test tube, they involve surrounding. Test tube itself pun surrounding. Thermometer dipping in the test tube pun surrounding. Is it clear, Sam?
Clear, Cik.
Kita takkan like we don't have kita tak ada measure the temperature temperature substance. You can ingat Azo dengan Endo memang no temperature substance. Yang for the chemical energetic yang for the system tu yang temperature drop and increase tu actually is not substance, it's the temperature system. Right? Okay. So when the powder sodium carbonate, aqueous, ethanol acid are mixed, the temperature of the mixture will be 4. So kalau temperature of the mixture will be 4, that one is they decrease. So decrease the involved endo. Endo will be positive charge. Okay, sampai situ. Is it clear, sah?
Okay.
So teacher akan cancel the negative lah sebab negative is involve azo. So when the okay, temperature mixture falls, okay, duration is endo lah, and then delta H positive.
Faham.
Faham eh? Right. Ingat, ni tak dinafikan. Memang teacher bagi percentage 90% student kan ingat that one is azo dengan endo temperature substance. Sayang, kita tak measure the temperature substance. We measure the temperature surrounding. Mixtures pun temperature surrounding. Sebab you kena faham, bila you belajar chemistry, okay, dalam ni you ada banyak particles tau. You ada a lot of particles. Okay, kalau you masuk thermometer, you tak touch. I mean that you tak tembus the particles tu. The particles still ada surrounding of the thermometer. Alright, bila you masukkan thermometer tu, the particle akan berlari ke tepi-tepi. Tapi dia still ada the beside of the thermometer. Itu kita panggil the surrounding. Okay. Sebab mixture ni mixture. Sebab mixture ni kita ada particles. Kita ingat chemistry ni kita involve particles, zarah-zarah kan. So, is it clear?
Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Jangan yang untuk concentration tu teacher kena tengok dulu. One. Nanti teacher akan reply kat one of your friends. Okay, so any question you nak tanya? One? Ada lagi?
Soalan 20 je.
Soalan 20 mana? Which one? Dah ni?
Paper ni juga. Soalan 20.
20. Oh ni. Okay. Bukan acid partial. Okay. So this one teacher ada buat acronym for the remember the indicator. So indicator in the IGCSE you have a 4. You ada indicator, you have 4 indicator. Okay. You ada thymophthalin. Dia nak thymophthalin kan, tapi teacher beritahu semualah in case kalau ada lain punya. Phenolphthalein. Thymophthalin, phenolphthalein, lepas tu ada methyl orange. And then universal indicator. Universal indicator. So kalau you nak remember this one, okay, you kena ingat acid, neutral, alkali. Okay, so acid, neutral, alkali. So dia susunan tak ada like, okay, teacher kan arrangekan alkali, neutral, acid. No, teacher punya ni memang acid dulu, neutral dan alkali. AC first baru AL. A, B, C, D, E, F, G kan? C first dan baru L. Ini memang neutral, memang ada middle part lah. Okay. So then this one C, B, C, P. Yang tanya teacher ni betul kan soalan 20 yang ni? Yang ni kan? You tanya?
Betul.
Okay. Right. CCP, CCB. Alright. Kalau you tertukar ni, P dengan P. P and P. Ni penyakit TB. Batuk kering kan? TB. Okay. Methyl orange, Roy. Universal indicator dia banyak colour. Sekejap lagi teacher scan. Dia tak boleh masuk dalam ni. Sebab dia strong acid colour lain, weak acid colour lain. Okay. Right. So kita ambil dulu. So then is colourless blue. Colorless colorless, pink. Red, orange, yellow. Okay, so now butanoic acid tau. Dia dah beritahu partially dissociate. So maksudnya this one is a weak acid. So weak acid. So kalau thymophthalate acid, the acid, thymophthalate acid is colorless tau. So dia turn colorless. So I cancel. Sebab blue is a alkaline. Sebab dia kata butanoic acid tak buat reaction right? So dia kata butanoic acid partially dissociate in aqueous solution. So which row about the butanoic acid is correct? So so ni kalau ni alkali. This one is a acid. Why we acid lah? Sebab 1 until 6 is a acid. And then 6, 7, 7 neutral. 8 until 14 alkali. So the answer will be B. Is it clear, Sam?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Kalau universal indicator, you nak ingat colour. Dia ada colour red, orange or yellow. Dia orange or yellow dua-dua. Then neutral green, blue and then purple. So ni strong acid. This one weak acid. Lepas tu neutral. That one is a weak alkali. Weak alkali. That one is a strong acid. Strong acid. Strong alkali. Sorry. Strong alkali. So the color will be like red, orange or yellow. So green, blue, pink. Pink, purple. Ni purple, pink. Pink tu phenolphthalein. Purple. So, is it clear, Jah? Any question? So in case kalau like you ada any question you nak ask for the paper 2, you study, right? You tak tahu, you boleh send teacher, you boleh WhatsApp teacher or through WhatsApp ataupun Telegram. You already have my number, right?
Yes.
Right. So insyaAllah teacher boleh try untuk ni. Teacher boleh ke message teacher walaupun ni? Boleh. Anytime sayang. Walaupun you dekat sekolah, walaupun tak kisah. In case midnight ke, pukul 10 ke, pukul 11 ke, pukul 12 ke, you just hantar je. Cuma teacher pesan sayang, kalau teacher tak reply, you jangan ingat teacher tak layan tau. Okay, you spam teacher banyak kali. Right, sebab macam katalah during drive teacher buka tapi teacher lupa nak reply balik, right? Message banyak masuk dan teacher tak perasan you punya WhatsApp. Okay, please. You spam teacher banyak kali. Teacher, I need your help. Let me know. InsyaAllah teacher akan bantu you. Okay. Then tadi one of your friend WhatsApp teacher for the concentration tadi kan? Okay, teacher akan check balik that one. I need to be checked first. Okay. So, any questions? Ada apa-apa lagi before we ended the class? Ingat pesan teacher sayang? Don't have a last paper syndrome. I tahu memang ada last paper syndrome. Okay, so tolong. You need to do all the variant for paper 2. Please make sure that you get the 30 above. Okay, kalau you banyak salah tu, usually the question will be same. Salah tu soalan yang sama. You need to check back. Check back why you wrong. So insyaAllah for the next tu, you akan increase balik. You akan naik balik your marks. Okay? Alright, so kalau question tu is very hard to memorize, apa-apa you tak faham ke, let me know. You kena ingat, chemistry ni is not memorized. You need to understand. If you understand, you can apply that one. Okay. So, no question So, kita ended from here, right? Nanti kita jumpa balik for the next class. Tak jumpa lagi dah. Dah habis. Okay. Bye, sayang. So, see you for the next. The next lah. Okay. Good luck for your paper 2. Bye.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
teacher.
Thank you very much, teacher.
Welcome, sayang.
Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, je.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye, sayang.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum. Okay, welcome, sayang. Bye. Take care.